Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to turn on professional mode on Instagram, first just simply select your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now here on your profile, guys, you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now here, just simply scroll down a little bit until you see for professionals category. So select creator tools and controls, tap on it. And from here, just simply go to the bottom. You should be able to see here switch account type. Tap on it, and you will have two options over here. And just simply switch to professional mode. And after that, just simply select switch. And from there, you should be able to switch to your business account. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, just simply leave a like. And of course, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And subscribe if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.